Hello everybody. If you have a high water bill and you still have one of these old toilets, then I want to show you how you can drastically lower your water consumption. And all you need is to go to the hardware store and pick up here one of these adjustable toilet flappers. They're really cheap, they're only like a few bucks. And then let me show you how to install one of these and how to set it up right. So we start out by closing here the inlet valve for the toilet tank, and then we can drain the tank just by flushing it regularly. And then next we take a look here at this chain. We take off the chain from here, the trigger mechanism, and then here on the bottom, that's where you see the flapper. You can really easily take that off. That's just a piece of rubber that's stuck here on these plastic tabs, and you can just take that off. You can just take the flapper off from those tabs here, those hooks. See those down there? So here's the old one, and then let me take the new adjustable flapper here out of the box, and let's have a look. And you can see here there's this little dial here. There's some numbers on there, and the higher the number, the more water is going to come out. So I'm just going to set it here to 5, just in the center, just to see what happens, and then we can adjust later on appropriately if you want more or less water in the tank. So now we install this by just clipping these little tabs here on the flapper right over those hooks down there in the tank, just where we removed the old flapper. That's really easy, that goes on really quick and simple. And then we reattach the chain here. The only thing we really have to do is we have to adjust the length of the chain appropriately to your trigger mechanism. You just remove here this piece and go down, but down along the chain here, just to get the right length there. And you hook it back on, and then you try it out. Give it a test. Testing it, see here this works right. You pull the trigger, and then we can already open up the valve and fill the toilet. And then I'm just going to give this here a try, just to see, make sure it works, it really flushes right, and after the water is out, that it closes right. And you see here there's the flapper is closing much earlier than before. See, so it used to be that all the water goes out, and now it's only partially. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful, and if you have a comment below or a question, then please feel free to write something down there, and don't forget to like and subscribe.